Hey guys, it's me, your favourite YouTuber Ben Moisan, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious lentil dal with the assistance of my good friend Shariq. Show yourself, single man.
That's me.
About 6 hours before we started cooking, Shariq soaked 250 grams of lentils in cold water. After the 6 hours was up, we drained out the old water and added some fresh water.
You basically want the amount of water there is in the pan to be like twice the height of the dal in the pan. You can always add in more water as you're cooking.
We then began to heat the pot containing the lentils and the water. We then diced up 2 large onions.
Bruh.
Once Shariq had finished dicing the onions, we added the diced onions to the pan containing the boiled lentils. Next, we began to prepare some aromatics.
Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to peel a piece of ginger with just a spoon. It's actually really very easy, even easier than using a knife. So basically, I like to hold the spoon quite high up on the handle, like this. Take my thumb, put it like here, and then I just bring the spoon towards me, and the skin just, just peels right off like that, guys. Nice and easy.
After I had peeled the ginger, we also peeled some garlic cloves and added them to a beaker. We pureed the ginger and garlic using an immersion blender and then added the ginger and garlic paste to the pan containing the boiling lentils and diced onion. Now it's time to add a little bit of spice to the meal.
You want to add half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and then roughly 1.5 teaspoons of salt.
Okay guys, so that's the first stages of the meal done. Now we're just going to let it boil for 1 hour.
Meanwhile,
To go with our delicious dal, Shariq is going to show you how to prepare rice properly so that there is no crispy crunchiness. To begin with, we rinse the rice to remove some of the starch.
So for 1 cup of rice, you want to put in 2 cups of water. You can just do this from the tap, I do it from the kettle.
And then you add 1.5 teaspoons of salt.
Give it a bit of stir.
Once the lentils have boiled for an hour, reduce the heat and let them simmer for another hour. When there's about 20 minutes remaining, add another onion to a pan with a little bit of oil and let it brown a little bit.
And then at some point, I don't know what the English name for this is, but it's called zira. What you end up doing is you put half a teaspoon on your hands, and yeah, you rub it together, you rub it over it. Apparently it helps bring out the flavour. Am I really going to be in a YouTube video that's like a minute? Like,
Wait, can you do the Fortnite
Yes.
one?
Oh, the Fortnite one.
Once the onion has caramelized nicely, add it to the mixture in the pot.
you got that on camera.
Actually, that's really well seasoned. Okay. A little spicy, it's a little spicy.
So yeah, right at the end, you just want to add some coriander and green chillies, like chopped green chillies, which I've already done earlier. Give it a stir. And there you go, Bob's Uncle, that's it done. So, although we've finished cooking now, I highly recommend eating it with some Greek yogurt. And then, unfortunately, we don't have any lemons, but I'd recommend either getting some lemon juice and putting that on the meal, or like cutting a lemon and squeezing some lemon juice on. It's very nice.
Very nice.
Now it's time to plate up. So start off with some of that delicious fluffy rice, top that with some of our delectable dal, and then finish that off with a mountain of yoghurt. That, everybody, is how to make lentil dal.
And that's that. That was how to make lentil dal. And that's that. That was how to make a delicious homemade lentil dal, brought to you especially by my very good friend Shariq. And I'd also like to give a little shout out to Cornelia, who's on the camera. If you've been noticing like the quality of the videos has been improving quite a lot in this video, it's because of Cornelia. She's been getting them really good cinematic shots, and yeah.